Dear students, good morning. Today I am again with a new topic, that is height and distances. So we do revision for class 10. This is the question from the CBSE book. So let us read the question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground and making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is how much? 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. So let us draw a small diagram here. Suppose this is a tree. This is a tree. So it breaks from here. It breaks from here and it touches the ground. What? It touches the ground. So we draw this diagram like this. This is the tree, T R, and this is the broken part. So I will write here B. What? B. This is the broken part and this is the tree. It was up to here and it broken, so it touched the ground. You have already seen somewhere while going to any place. So let us see. The tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree, it bent like this. This is the top, touch the ground, making an angle of 30 degree. Which angle it is making? It is making an angle of 30 degree. So 30 degree like this. With it, with sorry, it is making 30 degree with ground. Here it is about ground. Okay, so it is about 30 degree. This is the broken part. Now the distance between the foot of the tree, this is the foot of the tree, to the point where the top touches. This is the foot and this is the top broken part touches here. The distance is how much? To the where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. This is what? This is 8 meter from here to there. Up to this place. How much? This is 8 meter and this is 30 degree with the ground. Find the height of the tree. So we have to find the height of the tree. This is the broken part and this together. If we open it like this, so it will be the total height of the tree. So we suppose the broken part height, let it be h. Let it be h meter. How much? H meter. Because it is given in meter, so we say in h meter. And this one we will find. Let me suppose that x meter. This is the broken part and this is the part which remain standing on the ground. Now solution for this question. So this is the 90 degree. Okay, because the plant is, the tree is standing on the ground perpendicular, so it will be 90 degree. Now we have to find the value of either first of all we find this value h, and by using we can find this value also. Here we use sin theta, cos theta or tan theta, whatever applied. So here we know this 8 meter, this is the base. If you see, this is a right angle triangle. So we can apply here trigonometric ratios. So this is base and this is height. So what? Here triangle TRB is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now we know base TB equal to how much? 8 meter. This is already given, and we supposed that let TR equal to h meter. So by using this we find this. So 10 ratio of 10 shows that perpendicular upon base. So we apply 10 30 degree, 10 30, this is the theta is 30 degree, or I will write first that 10 theta equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base. You all know very well Pandit Badri Prasad Harar Bole. This is the short trick to learn the trigonometric ratios. So from here, what is our perpendicular? Perpendicular is RT or TR. You can say TR. So 10 30 degree equal to TR upon PV. TR upon PV. So value of 10 30 is 1 upon root 3. We apply here. Let me erase the question. Yes, we can erase it. Okay. So next 1030 value is 1 upon root 3. You all, I think you all now may be able to learn it. TR is how much? H meter. I will write H here, and TB is 8. We have to find the value of H. So I will keep H here, and this 8 will go up and root 3 like this. But we don't need this root 3 in the denominator. So rationalizing the denominator, for this I will multiply by root 3 above in numerator and in denominator together. Now root 3, 8. This will be numerator 8 root 3. 8 root 3, and this root 3 multiply root 3, it will be 3. Okay, this is value of h. This is the height. Now we also find the this hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base, or the base upon hypotenuse, or perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine 30, we apply sine 30, or I will write sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For hypotenuse I will write h, and for perpendicular I will write p. Okay, sine theta is here 30 degree, and perpendicular is what we already found. 8 root 3 upon 3, 8 root 3 upon 3 upon 3, and h. What is h? That is hypotenuse is x. Hypotenuse is x. So we put the value of sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Okay. Now 8 root 3 upon 3x. This x will reciprocal. Okay. It will be 1 upon x, and this x multiply with 3. If you are not able to understand, then I will write it like this. 1, I keep 1 here, and this x like this. Now we have to find the value of x from here. I send this 3 and x together there. 3x upon 2, this 2 will remain here, equal to 8 root 3. What? 8 root 3. This remain same side. Now we have to find x. X equal to 8 root 3 upon 3, and this 2 go up. It will be 2. So 8 root 3 and 2 area 16. It will be 16 root 3 upon 3. This is the value of x. So now we have to find the height of the tree. So height of the tree will be height of tree equal to h plus x. It means it broken from here, so it be made to stand again straight. So it will be complete height will be TB. this T, B will go that side. This is the upper part. Now H is 8 root 3 upon 3 plus X is how much? 16 root 3 upon 3. Now I can take LCM of this 3. It will be 3. Now 8 root 3 plus 16 root 3. How we get this? I divided this LCM by the denominator of this. So we get 1 and multiply here. You will get the same thing if you multiply with 1. Similarly, I divided this 3 by the denominator of this one and we get 1 and multiplied this in the numerator and we got 16 root 3. Now we add this. So how we add? For adding 8 and 16, numbers will be added together. 8 plus 16 and this root 3 will be common and 3. Okay. Now 8 and 16, 24 root 3 upon 3. Now we can divide this. 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. How much? 8 root 3. This is the meter height of the tree. Student, this is the height of the tree. Okay. This is our answer for this question. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.